If only we had another camera on at the exact same time to catch these weird sound anomalies. Oh, wait, we did. That's right, guys, this is a first for this channel. One of these weird sounds that we got on film, on video, we happen to get it on another camera the exact same time, the exact same spot. So now if anybody wants these two pieces of video clips, they can put them together, do the math, do the homework, and be like, yep, there's no way in hell these guys faked it, unless we actually made the noise, I guess, out there somewhere with some third person or whatever. But anyway, whatever. Here's the second camera, caught that sound. The bag was left one time. Yeah, peanut shells are still down there. And Kaya, my dog, doesn't look any the wiser to anything. Doesn't seem to be alerting or picking up anything, but something was there. Something made that sound. But really, ask me if I'm surprised by that. You know, I'm not. Not at all.